Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a character in Higgsfield AI. To do this, we obviously need to enter the Higgsfield application or website. Once here, we are going to have to log in. Once we log in, we're simply going to explore the menu area. And here we go to characters, where we'll be able to generate our own character. We'll have some features. For example, I'm going to choose AI influencer. We'll click there where, as we can see, I have some areas of the builder. Or if I simply want to click on create a new, I will do that. So here we'll have this area where we can choose, or if I wish, I just click on prompt. In this case, as an example, we are going to use another AI for the example. Here we are going to ask to the AI to generate a prompt for us. For example, in this case, we put generate a prompt for a character in Higgsfield. We'll click on continue and wait for ChatGPT to create it. In this case, we are going to copy it and simply paste it and click on generate influencer. With this, we see that the generation has already started. Therefore, the only thing we have to do is wait for it to load. So as we can see, here we'll have our character completely created. Here we'll have some other things such as performing a regeneration, editing with Nano Banana Pro, or we'll also have the area to create what is a motion library to have movements and well, and that's it.